What is the worst atrocity committed in human history? 1. As someone who visited Cambodia, seeing the unaliving fields firsthand changed me. There's this tree they used to unalive babies by swinging them against it. I still can't process how humans could do that to their own people. 2. I don't see the civil wars in Liberia and Sierra Leone mentioned very often. Child soldiers were forced to kill their families, essayed, drugged, taught to drink human blood and sever limbs, and it was all basically for nothing. Most of the militias didn't really have political loyalties, or even an end goal. It was just mass insanity. Children as young as 7 were literally torturing, unaliving and eating people, and now they're adults having to live with that and reintegrate into normal life. 3. Pol Pot managed to torture and unalive about a quarter of the population in Cambodia. Reading about Prison S-21 is horrific, and it boggles the mind that this was happening in 1975 to 1979. 4. The creation of Unit 731. During World War II they committed atrocities that would have made the Nazis think twice. Things like hypothermia and anthrax have more extensive studies because the Japanese tested these and countless other painful and/or violent experiments on